What is going on, guys? It is your favorite sexy Mexican taco death wish VQ YouTuber. I'm really tired. I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your starter. It's very easy. It's probably easier than doing an oil change. You're going to need a 14mm wrench and a 12mm wrench as well. And you're going to use, and this is what I use, an adjustable wrench. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm under the car on the passenger side. Here is the starter. It is right above the power steering rack. The first thing you want to do is remove this boot. It's a rubber grommet boot. And here you're going to use a 12mm wrench or socket, whatever you want to use. And you're going to remove a bolt from there. And in case you guys did not know, this is connected to the alternator. Next, I'm going to break loose the two bolts that are a 14mm with this wrench. I'm going to hook it up together with the adjustable wrench so it gives you more leverage and more torque to remove it. Now that we have the bottom one removed, shut the fuck. Okay, now we're gonna remove the one from the up top. As you can see, the header is right there. You can see the flange. This is to remove the bracket that is hooked onto the starter. I have it positioned just right underneath the control arm, giving me enough space to break it loose. I did forget to mention that you want to disconnect this cable. Every time you remove something, always memorize it, just so when you're putting back the new part, you can remember how it went back in. As you can see, I forgot to disconnect the cable. Oh, and to remove the starter, all you gotta do is pull it back. It's really simple, not that hard. So I went with a CarQuest Premium remanufactured starter. I could not get a hold of a new one. I always go OEM, but this will do for now. Also, cool enough, it came with its own bolt, a new one, so that's cool. So once you do everything in reverse and put back your starter, make sure to put the bracket back onto the bolt. As you can see, I forgot to do that. Picks of the day. Bro, you guys have no idea how hard it is to make one single video, one single shot scene without fucking up and not rehearsing your scenes. But this is the outro. If you guys found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel, get out there on the algorithm. We're almost at 500, so that's really cool. I'm not trying some of those YouTubers all, like, comment, subscribe, share with your sister, give me your credit card info, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, but peep the IG.